Hi everyone, how are you doing? I just wanted to do a really quick video this time to talk about a product that I've discovered over the past couple of months, and it's actually called TwinTech End Coach Lighting, although it's also available in HO scale as well. Now this is a product that's made in the UK. I think like many model railroaders out there, we probably would like to have lighted passenger coaches, but we either for some reason don't want to get into the habit of soldering wires to the bottom of our passenger cars, or maybe we just don't want to permanently change them. By having power pickup from the tracks, it also means that sometimes when you're running off a dirty track, that would actually make the lighting in the coach inconsistent, or that will also add drag in terms of the weight that you'd have to pull. Now this solution is a really elegant one in my mind, which is why I wanted to share this with you as well. As you can see, all it is a battery powered pack of LED strip. I'm just attaching this to the top of my coach using blue tack. It's a standard battery that you can actually buy online. And how it works is it's actually motion sensor. So whenever you touch the passenger coach, it senses movement, the lights come on, they stay on as long as there's some degree of movement to the passenger car as well. And should there be no movement, that means your passenger car actually stops on the layout, it will actually remain on for a period of about 4 minutes. There's also a little bit of intelligence in the sense of, should you accidentally tap the table, the layout, or even tap the car, it would just come on for a second, and then if it detects that there's no additional movement, it would then go off as well. So it's actually available in both white light as well as warm light. I've actually cut it down to size, which you can according to the instructions if your coach is actually small. I actually have one installed on the caboose here, and as you can see, as I make a little bit of movement, the light will actually come on. It's also available in models where you can actually have a flickering tail light or a standard stable tail light. That's all I have to share, and I hope this is helpful for you.